like 99% we are outbound calling, okay? And we're using the function predictive dialing, it's called. So calling several leads at the same time. We definitely need to increase that number. So it could be around 800 or what. Also, we while calling, we take some data of the leads. Like how many kids are they married and stuff like that. And you can also, you have like a mask, you can type it in and then it gets transferred to HubSpot back again, right? That's possible for sure.
Yeah, that's possible. Okay. Yeah. If you go to analytics, it's going to show you everything when it comes to like the number of calls taken by your callers, the connect percentage, because as an admin, you would want to like track their KPIs. How well are they performing? If you further go to the heat map, I've selected the data for the last 7 days, as you can see on the top right screen. If I click on the data for the last 30 days, now it's going to show me the time range in which I've received the maximum number of pickups. So as a caller myself, it would help me to make my campaign much more sharper because I would know for a fact when to call whom, when I'm getting the maximum number of pickups, and when should I essentially be dialing out people. So both the
so statistics is extremely important for us. We need to track that for sure. Yeah.